What's going on, the G Squad? We're out here with this G8 from the previous video, the one with the Cadillac V2 rims. It's currently with the hood open. It could only mean one thing. Did it break down, or is it getting built up? It's getting built up, baby. Big cam going in pretty soon. So with that being said, this car will be cammed out in a few hours. Nighttime. My boy putting in that work. Getting my people at the Gasway Performance, they putting in that work. After hours, late night activities, you know. But hey, it's never too late to have too much power on your G8. You hear me? It's never too late to have more power on your G8, man. So if you got a G8 and you don't know what to do with it, bring it to my people right here. Oh, they'll get you right, for sure, for sure. Got the manifold out here, you know, took off already. Got to take off a few more parts. But like I said, we'll keep you updated. So for the meantime, we're gonna show you guys a little bit of the progress of while we're trying to change out this cam out with my mechanic with the Gasway Performance. A lot of people like to put the cams on without changing out the heads and changing out a lot of different little components that the engine usually comes with. But we're doing it the right way, the gas way and the G way. You know what I mean? Let's see, this one's coming out yet. Nice, still on tight. But you know, late night. What time is it, man? Talk to the people. What time is it?
12:30 now.
12:30? What time is it? It's actually 1:30. 1:30 and we're out here, man. It's never too late to put some more power in that G8, baby. Head is out. Like peanut butter. Just comes out. Second head coming out. So we now have both heads out. You know.
Yeah, we're trying to cam this over and DOD deleter, as y'all can see, got the FM DOD. Gotta delete that. If you don't know what that is, it's like it puts you to track your car and forcing you to know while you're on the highway. And we don't need that. We're trying to go fast, you feel me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this off, put a cam. When I didn't say the cam's fixed or nothing like that, but
yeah, had to take this part off with the timing chain and all that, and put the big boy cam in.
I know about to clean you up with some razors and shit, just because we got a lot of the gaskets are like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I need some help.
A little dirty, so just clean it off a little bit, you know, and make sure it's running right. What time of the night is it now, man? I'd say it's what? 2:30 in the morning. 2:30 in the morning. Just chilling, you know, putting butter in on top of bread toast, you know. Yes, sir. That's that G8 bad boy. On the last video, it wasn't cammed. It was pretty much stock for the most part, basically stock, and then it won't be stock anymore though, with this big cam coming in a few minutes. Update on the G8. You know, we have the brand new cam in there.
Heads,
double spring heads. You know, tell them, is it a Texas Speed
the
cam or what is it?
That's an RKV3 cam by Roadkill. There's like some niggas on YouTube and shit that making it.
What is it again?
It's a custom grind cam, más o menos.
What is it again?
Custom grind, like RKV3.
RKV3 cam. Okay, so this is a RKV3 cam. For mine, we have a Texas Speed cam. I don't think it'll be much of a difference. Just that this bad boy here is gonna be a monster. But we'll keep you guys updated. We're still working on it, you know. Slowly but surely. You can't rush the process. You know what I mean? If you want to do it right, if you want to get it done right, you can't rush the process. Because like I said, some people put the cam right without taking off the heads and right. Taking off other stuff.
Change the gaskets and all that.
Yeah, so my boy will change your lifters, gaskets, all that stuff if you want to get cammed out. Now if you want to get stranded, shit, you can cam it out, but good luck, you know. But we do it the gas way and the G Squad way only and the right way only. So we're gonna give you guys an update once it's finished. Yes sir. We're talking 5 in the morning stuff. What time is it?
6.
Let me see your phone.
Like 6, I think.
We're talking 5:48 in the morning. You can't say the dedication isn't real. You can't say the dedication isn't real. Yes sir, the G Squad with the gas way.
Thanks.
You feel me? So we're about to start up the G8 with the new cam in it. Let's see how it sounds. That's a crazy sound right there. So the car is finally cammed out. Big cam on it. We officially have the G8 that we were working on, that I told you guys I will keep you guys updated. We officially have it cammed out. Woo! It sounds so mean. Brand new cam on the G8. That sounded so mean. You know that cam automatically added some horsepower to it. Got the G20 with the G8s tonight, you know. But hell yeah, man, that's how the G8 is sounding with the cam on it. Now to the next vlog, G Squad out. And I'll keep you guys updated. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. But I'll keep you guys updated for the next video. I got a lot of more content coming up. G Squad out.